Level Grove Bulldogs, this is Mrs. Church again, and we're back with our marble run. When I talked to you last, we were on part 1 of the marble run, and that's where we took the toilet paper or paper towel tubes and we painted them. So you can see here I've got the painted ones, so the primary colors, red, yellow, and blue. And I showed you how to mix those colors to make our secondary colors of green, orange, and purple. So if you had paint at home, you were to paint them, but if you don't, you could decorate them with markers or paper. So hopefully you've got your tubes all decorated and ready to go for your marble run. So I've taken some of the tubes and I've cut them in half, and I just decided to use my secondary colors to cut them in half. All right, so you can just take your scissors, and if you need to, get a parent to help you with this, but you're going to cut the toilet paper tube or the paper towel tube in half on one side and then equally in half on the other side, so that you have two sections that are rounded. These will be your ramps for your marble run. Right, so I have some duct tape, but you can use regular tape. I just happen to have this packing tape here at my house. So I'm going to take my packing tape and I'm going to cut some strips of the packing tape. And I'm going to take some tubes, and if you have a paper towel tube, it's going to be longer, which might help you. But I just had these toilet paper tubes that I had saved. So I'm going to wrap my tape around it so that I can make a taller tube. Okay, so I've taped my tubes together and I've got some varying heights. As you can see, I've got a short one, a little bit taller, and then I've got two that are a lot taller than the other one. So this is important when you're doing your marble run, because you want to be able to angle your parts that are going to slide just like this. Now we're going to talk about how to insert the half tubes. So you're going to take your scissors, and this is important to probably get an adult to help you, because you want to think about how is your marbles going to, how are they going to travel? How do you want them to travel? So looking at this, if I decide I want this one to travel to the red, obviously if it's straight, it's not going to travel. It's just going to sit there. So I have to make an incline. So the way that I'm going to do that is I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to start at the top. And like I said, it's going to be helpful to have an adult to help you with this part. And I'm really just cutting out a triangle section so that I can make sure to fit the partial tube into it. Now you can see that it doesn't fit very well right there, so I might have to trim some of my pieces on each side so that they're going to fit a little bit better. But you still want them to curve. You still want the curve in the tube. So now I'm going to insert it, and I'm going to make sure that it is at a diagonal incline, just like that. Okay, that gives me more pieces. Actually, if I want to make it longer, I can tape another piece to this one, which I think I'm going to do that now, and keep making inclines at different levels to show you how to make this marble run. We've assembled the paper towel tubes, and we've got all of our ramps, our inclines here. You can decide which way you want to make them. You can decide how many different tubes you want. You can make it as big as you want or as small as you want. So I'm going to take my marble, which if you don't have a marble, anything that's small and round like a marble will work. So let's test it out. Okay, thanks for joining me today. I hope your marble runs turn out really awesome. I hope you have a fun time, and I'll see you next week.